guys, just a really quick video today to show you how to get your free Xbox games in 2024. This is going to give you a Xbox promo code that you can apply in the basket, and it's going to remove the cost of any single game, so you can literally get a free game on the Xbox store. So let me record my screen. You need to use your mobile phone for this and follow the instructions. So you've got to go to www.topdogcodes.com. So you need to go to Top Dog Codes, guys, this free coupons and game codes website. When you reach this page, go to the search bar and type Xbox, and you can find the Xbox gift cards and codes page. So you can search for Xbox gift cards, and you need to click on this page. Now there's a few different options you can choose, such as gift card codes, but we're interested in the free game code. So there's any game for free from the Xbox store. So click on show coupon. And basically, guys, you can see it gives us the start of the Xbox promo code, but you need to unlock the full code. Obviously, these are quite valuable codes and pretty desirable. So you need to press unlock code. Now, I'm not going to do it. I've already done this loads of times, but basically you're going to see a new screen come up with a set of instructions telling you how to unlock your exclusive code. It takes around 5 minutes. You need to just complete a couple of free tasks. It takes, like I said, around 5 to 10 minutes, and it's going to unlock your Xbox code. So go to topdogcodes.com and follow the instructions. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and enjoy getting your free Xbox games. Let me know which one you get. Peace.